Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, which is Windows 10 or 11 voice access and typing. In this video, we will explore the fantastic features that Windows offers to enhance your productivity. So, without further delay, let's dive in. One of the best ways to interact with your Windows 10 or 11 system is through voice command. With voice access, you can control various aspects of your device without even lifting a finger. For this, you have to open any text document where you want to input your words. For example, we opened Microsoft Word. Here we want to input our text through voice. To enable it, we have to click Windows plus H and our voice command is started. Now if we say anything, Windows will detect our voice and input them in Word. If you want to insert your text in any document, just you have to open that file and click Windows plus H button and everything you will find here. Now I'm going to show you how you can control your computer through voice. To control your computer through your voice command, just you have to open your setting. Now you have to click accessibility. You will find it in the left side. After that, you have to scroll down your mouse and you will find option called speech. Click on the speech. After that, you will get voice access option. Now you have to just simply click on and our voice access will start downloading. After downloaded, just you have to click start voice access after you sign into your PC. Now if we say voice access wake up, our microphone will connected with our PC. Now if we command anything, our PC will listen and do that thing. For example, if I say open Word, click blank document. Yeah, here you go. We have opened our blank document through our voice command. And here is the bonus point. If you tell anything through your voice, it will type automatically. Close Word. Thank you for joining us today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, feel free to leave any question or suggestion in this comment below.